This is the Mark 8 Volkswagen Golf, the all-new version of one of the world's most popular family cars. And here's the CarWow top 10 things you need to know about it. The first thing to note about the new Volkswagen Golf is its styling, or lack thereof. Although you get a slim new grille, all-round LED lights and sharper creases down the body, the new front end isn't all funny looking. In fact, it sort of reminds me of someone. Who could that be? Who is it? Monobrow issues aside, this is still undeniably a Golf. But which do you think looks the best? This or a Mercedes A-Class? Click on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen to cast your vote. The new Golf can accelerate, brake and steer itself on the motorway at speeds of up to 130 miles an hour. It won't pay for any speeding tickets you get though, so don't say I didn't warn you. But that's not the cleverest bit, because this Golf can talk to other cars. It's the first VW with this tech as standard, and it can communicate via Wi-Fi with nearby Golfs, as well as other makes of cars and even road signs, if they're fitted with compatible electronic kit. So, if there's a jam up ahead, the car's systems will know about it before you do. The new Golf will be available with 3 mild hybrids, which combine a 1 litre or 1.5 litre petrol engine and a 48 volt power supply to produce 110, 130 or 150 horsepower. Their hybrid technology makes them 10% more efficient than a normal petrol engine alone. If you want something even cleaner, go for the plug-in hybrid models. Called e-hybrid, these have a 1.4 litre petrol engine boosted by an electric motor to produce either 204 or 245 horsepower in the slightly hotter GTE version. These models can run on electric power alone for short distances as well. Good old-fashioned non-hybrid models include a pair of 1 litre 3-cylinder petrols with either 90 or 110 horsepower and a pair of 2 litre turbo diesels with 115 or 150 horsepower. All versions of the new Golf get LED headlights as standard, but you'll have to pay extra if you want the top-of-the-range IQ lighting system. This uses lights made up of 22 separate LEDs, which are controlled by a camera mounted in the windscreen. If this spots a car coming towards you in the dark, the camera switches off the corresponding LEDs to blank out that part of the beam so you don't dazzle the oncoming driver. The biggest revolution in this new Golf happens to be on the inside. Even basic models get an 8-inch central touchscreen and a multifunction 10-inch digital driver's display in place of conventional dials, which can display a huge sat-nav map at the flick of a switch. Posher versions like this particular car you see here get 2 10-inch screens. You can expect the new Golf to start from around £20,000 when it goes on sale in December. That'll get you a basic 90 horsepower petrol version. Meanwhile, a full-blown plug-in hybrid GTE model will cost more like £30,000. And if you fancy a new VW Golf, or any car for that matter, click on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen to check out the best new car deals on CarWow. You can save an average of £3,600. The new Volkswagen Golf will get a wide range of standard kit, such as keyless start, 3-zone climate control, lane keep assist and auto emergency braking as standard across the range. If you want a more sporty flavour, your only choice until the GTI and R models arrive will be the R line. This gets beefed up 17-inch alloy wheels, chunky bumpers and high gloss black trim, plus sport seats and 32 colour switchable ambient lighting. One of the most striking aspects of the new Volkswagen Golf's interior is the Audi-like full-width front air vent. VW has also taken a page out of Audi's playbook with the cabin buttons and switches. There aren't very many of them, and the few that they have put in there are more like touchpads than buttons, with a sleek gloss black finish. This new Golf is the first VW that you'll be able to upgrade retrospectively. So if you bought a certain model and wish you paid extra because you need some more kit, then you can do that remotely. All you have to do is pay Volkswagen some more money, and then you can download that feature after you've taken delivery of the car, just like you can with a Tesla. Another great thing about the new Volkswagen Golf is the fact that your personal settings for the car are stored on the cloud. So if someone else has been driving your car and fiddling with everything, you can reset stuff like the seating position, door mirrors, infotainment system and climate control at the touch of a button. And it'll all be downloaded from the internet and go back to exactly how you want it. Want to see how much you can save on a new car? Well, click on the deals box to the right to go to CarWow. Also, please subscribe to this channel for more videos, or click on the video windows below to watch another of my videos.